Hello, food lovers. Welcome to a brand new culinary adventure, where we explore the stories behind the world's most beloved dishes. Today, we're taking a flavorful journey to India, right from your kitchen. India is a land of vibrant colors, rich traditions, and of course, unforgettable flavors. Its cuisine is a tapestry woven from centuries of history, culture, and spice. We're making tandoori chicken, a world-famous dish known for its vibrant color and smoky, delicious taste. This dish is a true showstopper, often the centerpiece at gatherings and celebrations, loved by people of all ages. The story of tandoori chicken begins in the bustling streets of Peshawar, where Kundan Lal Gujral, a visionary chef, first cooked chicken in a blazing hot clay tandoor. His innovation transformed simple ingredients into something extraordinary, and soon the dish became legendary. The result? Juicy, tender chicken with a crisp, charred exterior, thanks to a yogurt and spice marinade. The intense heat of the tandoor locks in the flavors, creating a perfect balance of smokiness and succulence in every bite. Tandoori chicken's magic lies in its blend of ginger, garlic, cumin, garam masala, and that signature red hue from Kashmiri chili or paprika. Each spice adds its own note, creating a symphony of flavors that dance on your palate and make this dish truly unforgettable. You don't need a tandoor, your oven or grill will do the trick. With a few simple adjustments, you can recreate that authentic taste and aroma right at home, no matter where you live. Let's bring this classic into your home and create some kitchen magic. Cooking together is a wonderful way to connect with loved ones and share the joy of delicious food. Ready to cook? Gather your ingredients, tie on your apron, and let's get started on this flavorful journey to make tandoori chicken, a dish that's as rich in history as it is in taste. Before we start cooking, it's important to take a few moments to gather all the ingredients and tools you'll need. This simple step helps you stay organized and makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. For the chicken, you'll want about 2 pounds of bone-in, skinless thighs or drumsticks. These cuts are perfect for tandoori-style dishes because they stay juicy and tender, soaking up all the flavors of the marinade beautifully. The marinade is where the magic happens. You'll need plain, full-fat yogurt for creaminess, freshly grated ginger and garlic for a punch of flavor, and a blend of classic Indian spices. Garam masala, ground coriander, cumin, turmeric, and Kashmiri red chili powder for that signature color and gentle heat. Don't forget a squeeze of fresh lemon juice and a drizzle of oil to bring it all together. If you want that vibrant restaurant-style look, you can add a few drops of red food coloring. This is totally optional, but it does give your chicken that classic tandoori appearance. As for tools, keep it simple. You'll need a large mixing bowl for marinating, a sturdy whisk for blending the marinade, a sharp knife and cutting board for prepping the chicken, and a baking sheet with a wire rack if you're using the oven. Tongs will help you handle the chicken easily. Planning to grill? Make sure your grill grates are clean and well oiled to prevent sticking and to get those beautiful grill marks. Laying out all your ingredients and tools before you begin not only saves time, but also helps you avoid missing any steps or ingredients along the way. Take a quick look through your pantry and fridge to make sure you have everything on hand. Gather your spices, dairy, and fresh ingredients, and set up your workspace so you're ready to go. With everything prepped and within reach, you'll find the cooking process much more relaxed and enjoyable. It's all about setting yourself up for success. Now that we're fully prepared, let's dive into the heart of the dish, the flavorful marinade that will transform our chicken into something truly special. The marinade is where all the flavor happens. In a large bowl, combine 1 cup full-fat yogurt, 1 tablespoon each of grated ginger and garlic, 1 tablespoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon coriander, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon turmeric, and 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Add the juice of 1 lemon and 2 tablespoons of oil. Whisk until smooth and vibrant. If you want extra color, add a few drops of red food coloring. This marinade not only flavors but also tenderizes the chicken. Take a moment to enjoy the aroma. You're building the soul of the dish. The marinade is ready. Now, let's get the chicken soaking up all that flavor. Time to prep the chicken for maximum flavor. Pat the chicken dry, then make a few deep cuts in each piece. This helps the marinade penetrate. Add the chicken to the bowl and coat thoroughly, working the marinade into every cut. Cover and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight for the best results. This rest lets the yogurt and spices work their magic, making the chicken tender and flavorful. The wait is worth it. Once marinated, you're ready to cook. Let's fire up the oven or grill. No tandoor? No problem. You can still enjoy delicious smoky tandoori chicken right in your own kitchen, using tools you already have. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned home cook, these methods will help you achieve that classic flavor and texture. No clay oven required. For the oven method, start by preheating your oven to a high temperature, 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 230 degrees Celsius. This high heat is key to mimicking the intense environment of a traditional tandoor, helping to lock in juices and create those irresistible charred edges. Arrange your marinated chicken pieces on a wire rack set over a baking sheet. The rack allows hot air to circulate all around the chicken, ensuring even cooking and helping the marinade caramelize beautifully. Roast the chicken for 20 to 25 minutes. Then, flip each piece to ensure both sides get that signature char. Continue roasting for another 10 to 15 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through and the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. A meat thermometer is your best friend here for perfect results. For an extra smoky flavor and those beautiful char marks, switch your oven to broil for the last 2 to 3 minutes. Keep a close eye on the chicken so it doesn't burn, just enough to get that authentic finish. Prefer grilling? Preheat your grill to medium-high. Place the chicken directly over the heat, turning every 5 minutes for a total of 15 to 20 minutes. This method gives you gorgeous grill marks and a subtle smokiness that's hard to beat. Once cooked, let your chicken rest on a cutting board for a few minutes. This step is crucial. It allows the juices to redistribute, keeping every bite moist and flavorful. The high heat, whether from your oven or grill, creates those crisp, smoky edges and deep flavors that make tandoori chicken so special. For an extra burst of aroma, sprinkle a pinch of garam masala or chaat masala just before serving. No matter which method you choose, oven or grill, you'll be amazed at how close you can get to restaurant-quality tandoori chicken at home. The results are truly authentic, with juicy meat and bold, smoky flavors. Take a moment to enjoy the aroma as the steam rises from your freshly cooked chicken. That mouth-watering scent means you're just moments away from a fantastic meal. But before you dig in, let's quickly talk about food safety. Always use clean utensils and wash your hands before serving, so you can enjoy your homemade tandoori chicken with confidence. Cooking safely is just as important as cooking well. Always keep raw chicken and its juices away from other foods. Use separate cutting boards and knives, or wash thoroughly after handling raw chicken. Discard any leftover marinade that touched raw meat. Use a meat thermometer. Chicken is safe at 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. Store leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days. Reheat until steaming hot. With these habits, you can cook confidently and enjoy every bite. You did it! Homemade tandoori chicken. Serve with a squeeze of lemon, fresh cilantro or mint, and crisp red onions. Add a side of cooling cucumber raita for balance. Pair with warm naan or fluffy basmati rice to make it a meal. For a full feast, add a simple salad or vegetable side. The combination of smoky chicken, soft bread, and fresh sides is pure joy. Share with friends and family and savor the flavors of India at home. Enjoy your delicious creation. You've earned it.